Hey guys, it's Lord Carlos here, and today I have a quick unboxing video. Prusament filament by Josef Prusa, and it's an in-house filament by Prusa, and they advertise it as having a very low thickness tolerance, and you can scan the QR code and check it for yourself. So you scan it, and then you can see what kind of filament it is. See the price, so you can rebuy it quickly. You can see when it was made. So mine was made actually on the shipping date. Color, weight, and the spool, the diameter, and the deviation or the tolerance, the ovality, and the small graph. And you can also, if you use a little bit of filament and you want to know how much filament you have left, you can weigh your filament on a scale and enter how much it is, the weight, and then you can see it's 100 meters left. So that's pretty neat. And normally, for my personal projects, I don't need to have this low of a tolerance, so I wouldn't need to pay premium for this. But I have an upcoming video or upcoming project where I want to upgrade parts of my Prusa MK3, where I want to make sure that I can compare the print quality before and after the upgrade. And I don't want to have the filament as a too high variable, so just so I can better assess my print quality. Yes. Pull here. Yeah. Just old information and what's coming soon. The spool in honeycomb to save weight. I'm not sure if that is needed. But what's very nice is the filament, and the temperature and the QR code is on the spool itself. So even if you don't have the box anymore, you can always scan the QR code here, or check the temperature here, the print temperature. So that's pretty neat. And yeah, you can see it's pretty tight. What I like is the packaging. With a quick glance, I can see what material it is, the color, and if the roll is in the packaging. With the filament from my local shop, everything is written in small letters. I have to tilt my head and shake the box. Also nice is how the filament snaps into the roll. Other rolls often only have two small holes where you carefully have to thread the filament through, which I find rather annoying. I mostly use printed filament clips, but they can also be kind of cumbersome. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you got something out of it. And oh yeah, and the back is, you can reseal it, so that's also nice. Goodbye.